Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to block the pop-ups that coming every time whenever you open the website on Safari. So if you want to block the pops up, you just need to open your settings and you just need to scrolling down until you found Safari. Right after you found it, you just need to go click and open the Safari section and back scrolling down again into the general section. In this general section, there will be several options that you can set here. There will be like autofill, favorites, block pop-ups, extensions, and download. If you want to block the pop-ups, you just need to turn on this button until the color is changed, and after that you're done. So that is the way how to block the pop-ups on every website on Safari. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.